So I took subscription of Speed. I mostly concentrated on the videos.
And Speed came handy to me in this scenario. There are topic-wise distribution of the QBank.
I had taken the subscription. I watched all the videos, solved all the MCQs, solved all the test series.
Speed was recommended to me by my seniors and others who have used it, and they have also got successful results.
I came to know the Speed Vascular Surgery program, sir. It's only one platform which is giving exclusive for vascular surgery, sir. Very thankful to you, sir.
Thankful to the coaching, also the Speed app. Actually, I've seen the videos multiple times. I've gone through the MCQs and the grant test.
I use Speed for their MCA preparation, be it any branch. I watched video.
Everyone told me about Speed, so yeah, I just went with it.
I did all preparation from the Speed Institute. I watched all the videos, are awesome.
I came to know about the Speed Institution app and started preparing for the exams, sir. I gave a lot of GTs, sir, like 10 GTs in that time.
Videos were really helpful, very point-wise, and my entire video preparation, the lecture preparation was from Speed app itself.
I started from making notes from Speed app, and his classes were excellent. The questions came from his notes.
Completed all of the videos on Speed. The best resource out there to prepare for Speed is going to be my primary source for studying.
Speed learning app for this preparation. It's helped me a lot.
Sir, my preparation in the first attempt from the Speed app, that MCQ bank from the Speed app, and also the test series from the Speed app.
You have to take Speed. There's no other alternative to the videos. Like, I think Speed has been, sir, excellent.
And while I was watching videos, I liked it. Studying from Speed videos.
Speed GTs are just replica of what I attempted in INISS exams.
The support system is very good, Speed app, sir. Entire textbook in front of me.
Thank the entire Speed team, the entire faculty, sir.
So main preparation is concepts. I took it from Speed. Speed is they teach concepts.
Speed has been helpful. Everything was very crisp and I was able to finish all of my syllabus and was able to prepare for it.
Watching all the videos on Speed app, sir, is itself giving revision aspect also.
And I was regularly watching a video, sir, about general surgery videos or semester-based classes or daily-based classes.
Took up Speed. So the teachers and their energy, and especially you, who is the creator, is just marvelous.